In this video, I'm going to share with you a technique to copy a file from one computer to another using Python. This technique is useful to quickly share a file from one computer to a smartphone on the same network. In order for this technique to work, a few requirements need to be met. Let's say you have computer A and computer B, where computer A has the file you want to copy over to computer B. Computer A has to have Python 3 installed, and computer B needs to be able to communicate directly with computer A over the network. I'm using two virtual machines to show the process. Computer A is the upper left window and computer B is the bottom right one. To copy the file, we go to computer A and open a terminal in the same path as the file we want to copy. Here, the file I want to copy is the file.txt. We'll need computer A's IP address. So we run the command IP space A to list it. There will be multiple IPs, but we only need the one from the network common to both computers. Then we run the following command: python 3-m http.server 8080. That will start an HTTP server on computer A, which will make the file publicly available on the network. We go to computer B, open a web browser, and go to the URL http:// the computer A's IP address, 8080. If we did everything correctly and the requirements are met, we should see a list containing the file we want to copy. We can go ahead and save the file to computer B. Once we have downloaded the file, it's important to go back to computer A and stop the HTTP server. We can do this by pressing Ctrl+C. There are security risks related to starting an HTTP server in your machine, including but not limited to that anyone in the same network as you can also access the files. To mitigate some of the risk, you can create a folder, place only files you want to share inside it, and start the HTTP server from that path, so only those files will be listed on the browser.